Okay, now I'm going to create my chart. I'm going to create another worksheet. I'm going to make it all white, and from this on the right I'm going so as you can see here, I cannot move at all. I can only stay into this place. So now I'm going to select this area here, and I'm going to select this area, then Control, I keep the mouse pressed, and I'm going to select this area here. I'm going to click on Insert. Here we are. This one. Okay, I'm gonna cut this. Can I put here? I paste this here for the moment. Okay, I'm going to do the following. Then select data. Okay, everything is fine. I'm gonna select this. Okay, then here I make it the background transparent. Fill is no fill. And then I'm going to do the following. Here I'm going to take from data here one of this product. I put columns. I'm going to look for a row in the columns between the G19 to the column G19 because I'm here. Okay, and then I'm gonna move this. Basically, this one was the name of this region. Okay, I didn't call this region yet. With this one, LST products. So I'm going to copy this, and here I'm gonna change it. LST products. Okay, and then I'm gonna drag this here. This part here, primary axis, series overlap. I'm gonna type this. Okay, exactly like this. I do this like this. Okay, and then I'm gonna format the same here as well. And I'm going to calculations. Now I'm going to select this area, and I'm gonna insert to the bar. Here I'm gonna first of all select the data. Just gonna edit this. Okay. Eliminate everything of this. Okay, as it is. Okay, here we are. We created this. Now the gap width is 50% on both. Okay, we have this basically. Okay, we created our area now. So we created this basically graph, and we formatted this, and now we're going to format this better. I'm going to see here now that the text axis type labels. Then we're going here, click on plus axis, click on the arrow, primary horizontal. I'm gonna remove it. Okay, border no line. Okay, we created basic of this graph. Now I'm going to create another thing here. Now we're going to type here regions, and we have all regions, and then we have this one is equal to this one. Okay, and this one as well. We can format also this if we want. Okay, now we're gonna do the following. We're gonna select, format this one. Okay, all regions. You can also have an exercise and format this if you want. Okay, now we're done. We basically format this. Now we're going to create a Visual Basic routine to just basically trigger an event when the user is going to select these cells here, or these cells here, or these cells here. Okay, I will show you soon.